Hey everybody, this is Erica coming at you with another session of Xenoblade Chronicles 3 Blind Reaction. So last where we picked off, we found out that Yorn guy, that green hair, chubby kid that sacrificed himself to save Lance turned out to be a console, or was turned into a console or something. Because saving Lance's life was supposedly an expression of superiority rather than a genuine effort to help his friend. So, I guess. So anyway, continuing on. I'm guessing we're at the end of chapter 3, and we're continuing on. We're going to go on to chapter 4. So let's go.
We all have secrets deep within. Memories we can never erase. Difficult experiences.
True words, true words.
It's just a distant dream of mine right now. But if we can just reach out to each other, even a little, we can tease out those delicate shapes. There, with time, our bonds will grow stronger until one day.
What is that flying thing? Looks familiar. I wonder what that's from. I know I've seen that somewhere else. That flying shape right there. It's like a mecha, I guess. Alright, who's this dude? So badass. Oh, dude, while you're sitting there looking cool, some of your buddies got killed.
It's rising! We're getting more light!
You're getting more light.
This is Colony Delta! That's Marine Command! It's valid. Stop the legends button!
Ravi.
We can win! We can make it! Consul, sir! Right! All troops! Waterfalls! I got it!
What, has he got a surprise for him? Man, that is such brutal strategy.
What's that for us?
These wars turn everyone into vampires, don't they?
Listen here. You've done well to come this far. But now, Wolverine Cavalry, take care.
No way! He let us think we had them pinned.
Now that I think about that flying shape, I think I might have seen on Star Fox. It's like a boss that had a similar shape. Let's go back through that. Oh, and by the way, have you ever seen A Fox in Space? Great channel, great content. He's a bit slow at producing it, but it's great. Okay. Ouch. Yeah, it's heavy, heavy stuff. Okay.
Just who are you? Perhaps a guard, perhaps not. Well, well. Smoldering Kamaravi. Your name is no mere affectation.
How did you get captured? So awesome.
A consul? No. You're...
So I guess this chapter is going to feature more of this guy than... I guess he's some kind of Mobius dude. Because of the infinity sign. I guess the infinity sign means like infinite life, right? Ready to go. Okay then, let's go. How we go on from here? I got completely turned around in all those sparking tunnels. Then the joyride down those rapids. I've got to say I have absolutely no sparking clue where we are. You needn't worry on that count. Commander Iserd provided us with the necessary topographical data. Oh, nice. Legend. All the water that runs from the Urian Mountains makes for difficult terrain. Actually, rather than constantly checking the data and explaining myself, I think it'd be better if I just tell you where to go. Yeah, sounds good. Lead the way. Totes, we have every faith in you, Taion. This is the bottom of the waterfall. See if we can get to the middle levels first. Should we aim to get above Colony Lambda? Basically, yes. Basically, yes. Yeah. The enunciate the consonants much more in British English. To get to the middle levels, we'll need to head up and around. Got it. Departure time. Yep, if I want to come back, I'll warp back. Did you get to say everything you wanted to say to Commander Iserd in the end? More or less. Well, okay, that's good. Let's go. And look at all those husks. This is a friendly. Okay, but where are there are a bunch of husks over here, right? Unless there's like a super high level enemy there. Be worth checking out, right? Anyway, I just watched David Ink's video, and it says that I should actually be fighting enemies that are somewhat higher level than me if I want to increase my class level quickly. Okay, let's head this way. Okay. I really don't care, to be honest. Oh wait, I'm going the wrong way.
Looks like it's gonna rain.
Okay. Right now, I'm just plot focused. So I'm not really focused too much on,
Everyone, get some rest.
clean some clothes.
Nice and clean.
Clean. And save.
It's vital to keep a
Yep,
record
for
of
sure. We're in chapter 4.
Should we get moving?
Hey. Ooh, it's pretty. It's kind of hard to see, though, where you're going. So there ought to be some way to climb, right?
This one means business.
Its levels lower than mine. There we go. I guess this is our way up.
We should harvest this ether.
Ether. Okay. Ooh, a container.
Alright. It's open.
Master Spanner. Okay. No idea what any of that does. Is there another way up this way? Maybe? No, I don't think we're going back the way we came if we went that way. Here? Ah, okay. So we'll definitely want to take care of that. So how else do we get up there then? Oh shit.
Oops, they found us.
Okay, level 37. We ready to have our asses handed to us? Let's see. Any max class characters? No? Okay. Guess we'll keep them these classes then. Accessories. Nice. You know, I'll play as Uni, perhaps. Uni's kind of cool. Yeah. Make sure they got sensible gems here. Shortens auto attack interval. Ooh, she got nothing equipped. Okay, everyone else has got theirs equipped. Arts. Oh, I like this one. Okay, I don't know why she didn't have so much on hers. Oh well, I think I like this setup. Alright, let's get our butts handed to us.
This one's gonna be tough.
Okay. Okay, keep focusing on me. Can't move. Nice. Where are they? Okay. Where are they? Yeah, they're dead over here. Come on. Are you not able to heal anybody? Does it take you that long to heal people? I guess it does. Alright. Probably rather be in charge of people with the healing powers, because I don't think they necessarily make the best decisions.
Do exactly as I said.
Dang. There we go. Oh, shit. Cancel. Where are they? Oh, right, I am Lance. Cena's still alive. It's not gonna work, is it? I guess I just suck too much at combat. Well, let me try again. I had kind of confused a little bit about things. Okay, let's get this evade up. And I need to do auto attacks. Okay. Okay. Nice. Accuracy down. Yeah, that was king. That's the problem with these Agnian things. You have to get up there and do auto attacks. Okay. Hey, get me down there. Okay. I have no idea what happened there, or why it took him so long to do it, and why it didn't heal anybody around him. So I just have to come back later. I just don't know this combat system enough, and I just don't care enough. Okay, so how the hell do we get over here? This way? So will this get me there? Oh wait, I've been here already. Yeah, I have no idea how to get there. Okay, there's something about passing through the falls, but I mean, I can't see any way of getting there. Or go through these waterfalls, perhaps? Let's try it. Guarded by weak enemies. No, don't look like it. I don't see any purple thingamabobbers. Okay, I'll fight you. Kinda lame, but whatever. Man, I'm heading so far away from it. Hey. It's always kind of blocking me. Huh? Where? Just you know going into the tunnels earlier. Tunnels? What's he gone and wandered in there for? Suppose he might have some business on the other end of them. Okay. Yeah, I've got no idea where to go. No barking clue. So there's a way to drop a ladder down from there, but I'm not seeing the way up. Hold on. Is that just a crack? Yeah, it's not that purple stuff. Hold on, is there purple stuff there? And I already checked there. There's no way to climb up from there. Man, this area is so pretty. I already tried up there, but there doesn't seem to be any way further up. Whoa. Let me try one more time.
You want me to lead? Yes, Uni's the boss.
Yeah, let's go with Uni. Of course, as I'm struggling to find it, I imagine a lot of you are probably yelling at the screen, going like, "What's wrong with you?" Oh, I thought I'd stumbled upon something important, but it appears not to be the case. Am I supposed to go this way? That looks like the bottomless pit. Oh, am I supposed to go for that bridge there? Okay. I guess. I don't know if it's the bridge I came in on, or if there was one, or if it was some other one. I don't remember. Sorry, guys. I'm not that familiar with this location. It just looks similar to the other land bridges I've seen. It's down this way. That what? What the heck are these things?
Not bad at all.
What on earth are these things?
If only you didn't charge off on your own. do the right thing, eh?
Yep. So this appears to be the bottomless cliff. Can we make this jump? Let's see. May not have to. Let's go back here. Yeah, here we go. Ooh, nice. Okay, let's go up that bridge. Land bridge, that is. And these sites are so pretty.
The level of the Great Falls, huh? Could we get there by clambering up Colony Land?
Maybe you and Senna could.
Sweet, let's poke around.
Okay, yeah, I've never been here before. Maroon Bridge, okay?
I'm the one who won.
Mimi? Sure I did, Senna. You look great.
Fight with focus.
You know this one, man.
Make this quick.
Looking good, now. Nice to creep up quickly.
What's that device? Looks like it's still usable. Who wants to do the others?
Let's take a look. Ah, that's the ladder thingamabobber. Yay. Okay. There's a soldier's husk there. There we go.
I guess this is safe too, huh?
Mm-hmm. Got out of there, didn't I? Okay. Man, these landscapes are so gorgeous. Let's see what's over here. Holy heck. Meet my fear of heights. Legit, I have a fear of heights. Acrophobia, I feel all wonky and stuff. That doesn't mean I won't jump out of a plane or anything. Is that how I do against level 39? If they're not enemies.
We all remember that.
Oh snap. Yeah, I'll leave that alone for now. What's over here?
Think you can get back to the Orion tunnels from here?
We should be able to. But since we're going to the Great
Sorry, I don't know if you hear it, but there's a housemate arguing on the phone with someone downstairs. It's really, really irritating.
Is this like a rare thing?
He's always arguing on the phone with someone. What is this place? Well, I'll come back.
I'm on the floor.
Okay, let's just run. Is that like a friggin' dragon or something?
You think it's on this?
Holy heck. Hi, dude. Umber Drake. Drake or whatever. Nice. Nice. I think I was survived the chain attack. Okay. Hey. Nice. Nice. Hey. Nice. You'll be able to get the Ouroboros order now. There is just not that limit. Hopefully, okay, great. And that's overkill there. Can we just cancel it? There's no need. That beeping sound.
Hey, can we do something about this sparking noise?
How would I know? Just cancel the interlink or something, I guess.
It only starts after an extended period, after our bodies start to heat up.
To me, it sounds like a warning for something.
A warning? What do you think will happen if we leave it?
I don't have much desire to find out.
Think it's something dangerous?
Well, it can't be anything fun. You expect balloons and confetti with that noise?
Maybe not.
Good point. You seem fine. But I don't know. Maybe there's some hypochondriac thing going. Oh boy, these assholes again.
Oh, too bad, Jay.
Looks like that backfired on you, didn't it? Better be prepared for the consequences.
Suppose you should.
I was only interested in putting in an appearance. You're making it sound like I took some huge risk.
Oh, come on now, guys. Jay's been on the bench all this time. I get why he might be a little stimulated by a bit of drama.
Well, it was pretty dramatic, I'll give you that.
The drama queens of the game.
You seem pleased with yourself.
P. Oh. Anne wants to see you.
Does he now?
Is it our turn to shine?
I don't know. I just feel her idea what's going through his brain sometimes.
Not even you?
I'm sure Anne could tell you. Not that she's shown herself recently.
Who are all these people?
What could it be? I do hope it's something fun. Let's be off,
Right, yo!
Have a good one.
Where was this? Oh.
Opportunity's too good to pass up. I say we retrieve it.
Those enemies look pretty tough, though. Okay, but we're gonna have to go through these high-level enemies, though. I'm not gonna do that tonight.
Can see flow of ether.
I can too.
Oh, whack 'em good.
That was spectacular.
And I was the MVP. You were all thinking it.
Jeez. Can I come across any enemies that are like 32, 33 so I can start making use of that? It always seems like they're either at my level, slightly below, or like way higher. Second cataract.
Come see you later.
What's up here? What the heck is that thing? Probably some kind of boss or something. I'll deal with that later.
Let me check.
Here's a good spot to catch our breath. Time for a
Indeed.
big breakfast. You know, you've got to take regular breaks.
Yep.
Okay, good as new.
Let's advance the plot. Man, what a beautiful place.
Ah, there you are. I don't want to mither, but aren't you on tent duty today?
Oh, I'm sorry, I forgot. I'll head back. What?
It's all finished.
We already packed it all up.
Then what was the point of telling me? Don't you have better things to do?
Just to remind him.
You owe us one.
That's right. You gotta contribute to the group. And again, you've been contributing with your strategy pretty well. So,
Are you okay?
yeah,
What do you
it's a
mean,
joke.
okay?
These last few days, it's been a lot, right?
That's why you're concerned.
Yeah, you got it. We were worried. Your problems are our problems.
Yeah, definitely.
Just because someone says they're doing okay, doesn't mean everything actually is fine with them.
That's right.
There's a
Can't
lot of
always trust
like
people.
you.
What, busybody?
Busybodies, all
Yeah.
of you.
Now Taion is completely uncalled for. Huh?
You two really must be bored stiff. Good grief.
Yeah, they're trying to stir up drama and stuff.
Is my life that entertaining to you?
Yeah, kinda.
Hey, that watch.
Our lifetimes run for 10 years only. But this pocket watch has already lived for longer than that, by being passed from Nimwe's hands to mine.
Nice.
What Gurnik said to us on that battlefield? I don't know what you made of it exactly, but frankly, to me, it was a load of nonsense. Not even enough to push us together. But that's changed. If Nimwe's life is represented by her dreams, then in remembering those, I carry her life with me. Perhaps now, I can give a purpose to my life. She'd live on if I were to pass her dreams on to others. Right?
In a way.
Heavy.
Also, I've done some thinking. If I had just, say, 10 more years, no, even 5. with
Don't
just
get
a bit
too ahead of
more
yourself, huh?
time, how many more memories could I fit inside this little pocket watch?
Yeah.
And
Yeah,
that's
that 10-year limit, man. It's terrible.
That's half of it.
What's the other half then?
Oh, well. In fact,
Oh,
just look at it.
I'm so sleepy.
Oh, come on.
Sorry,
You've only
guys.
told us that much.
It's not because the story's boring, it's just I'm getting tired.
This is just not the place.
Got a lot coming up tomorrow.
That's all.
Lame. Still, it was a nice chat. Dreams in objects. Huh?
But, huh?
Thanks, Taion. We came here to cheer you up a bit and got food for thought instead.
Oh, sure. Anytime.
Mia.
So that's silent talking. Or it doesn't really matter. Okay. So I guess our destination is going to be this building on top. It looks like it is getting kind of closer to that sword in the ground. The giant sword. What are all these little lilies or something? How many? Hollows? Or hollow? Yeah, Hallows, okay? Alright.
You know, you've got to take regular breaks.
Oh yeah, I needed to get that other part of the story. Alright. Let's go ahead and clean clothes. Save. Not sure what the point of cleaning is. But it's so easy, it's like, might as well do it anyway. Alright everyone, thanks for this session of, thanks for watching this session of Xenoblade Chronicles 3 Blind Reaction. Really appreciate y'all watching, and see you tomorrow. Bye.